to fix the issue where certain content cannot be displayed in Telegram. It's often due to the app filtering out sensitive content. This setting can be adjusted by opening a browser and navigating to the Telegram website. Once logged in, select the menu by clicking the three horizontal lines. Then choose Settings. From there, go to the Privacy and Security section. Scroll down to Sensitive Content, and disable the filtering by unchecking the box. After making this change, close and reopen the Telegram app to ensure the new setting is applied. This should resolve the issue and allow previously blocked content to be viewed. If the problem persists, try closing and reopening the app again to update the settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the "cannot be displayed" issue in Telegram and access the content that was previously blocked.